Drekko, I pray now guys, I'm back again with another video. You see me? And this time we are reacting to some extreme cheapskates. You see me? I'm assuming that extreme cheapskate gonna mean we are gonna see people that super cheap, extremely cheap. They don't want to spend their money on nothing. You see me? So first time reacting to this video guys, this is a live honest reaction. We're just gonna get straight into the video and see what's going on. You see me? Yeah, I'm curious man.
I do believe that laundry detergent does run a scam on people.
What?
I learned how to conserve my detergent by my method at work, drawing blood. The measurements are very precise.
Hold up.
By using the amount.
I didn't really understand what's going on at first. Let's see if you can get understanding. So that's a detergent.
I do believe that
This bee take up detergent in our needle. No sir. She take up detergent in our needle for wash one pan of clothes. In our washing machine. You see me? One bunch of clothes in our washing machine, she use one needle. That's super
laundry detergent does run a scam on people. I learned how to conserve my detergent by my method at work, drawing blood. The measurements are very precise. By using the amount that I put inside of the syringe, it weighs out correctly, so I'm not overdoing it.
Really? Really, B?
I'm gonna save this.
But yeah, sure it's cheap already, I swear.
I collect lint from the dryer, first off because it's clean. Secondly, I don't have to buy cotton swabs. So I use it to remove my nail polish, my makeup. I'm using the lint right now to apply my compact powder.
Yo, this will be a different.
Face. It shades it out very good. Just as if a cotton swab would. I am not worried about how sanitized lint is. If the clothes have been dried and ran through the washer and they've been washed, therefore the lint is clean itself.
Stephanie has countless money-saving tactics. By using just one light bulb that she moves from room to room, she saves more than $60 a month on her electric bill.
Bombarders. Serious? B, seriously? Every room, based off of my understanding, every room where she going in, she take out the light bulb and bring it with her and put it in our next socket. So technically, you can basically say she have one light bulb in her house, and every room she going in, she have to remove the light bulb and put it in her next room where she going in just so she can have light in her next room. That's super cheap, bad man, and they say she saved $60 by doing that. That's smart and super cheap.
Has a good job. She works at a doctor's office. She does have a lot of money saved up.
But
She doesn't want to spend nothing. It's just ridiculous, but I do it because I love Stephanie, so.
In our house, we have what we call Navy showers.
Navy?
I'm not allowed to take long showers because Stephanie wants to save water for the water bill. I go in, turn water on, rinse my body off.
Cut the water off. Lather your body down. Make sure you get every area so you don't miss anything because you can't come back to it.
Turn it back on, rinse the soap off my body.
And get out.
I don't really
Simple
get to
one
watch.
straight. I could do that, my G. I could do that. When them man they done, be grease supposed to still left on them body for her. No, sir. What kind of tactics this?
My full body. Like,
And this nigga put up with that shit. Because he claims that he love her. He put up with that shit. No, sir.
I'm a grown-ass man. I should be able to just get in there and take a manly shower.
And you
Turn
can't
it
do that.
off!
To keep her water bill down, Stephanie found a way to make sure Patrick sticks to a 2-minute shower.
Right now, Patrick!
She a listen to the nigga. You know that's the way you use when you have a baby and in a room and you would be like in the kitchen and you just want to hear if your baby wake or not. And that she a use to make sure the nigga don't take a long shower. That she a take this to the extreme, dog. Like that extreme. Like I just 2 minutes in the video and this seems so extreme already for her. What else am I gonna say? Right now it look like she has tried to save aisle.
Stephanie has a baby monitor.
I can still hear you.
Damn.
See that?
My family feels that my cheapskate ways are out there, but I don't really care.
The extreme.
This is my reusable boiling water.
What's up?
Yes, I know it may be a little chunky, but it saves me from spending more money on my water bill by cutting on the water and putting more water in the pot, dumping it, and then doing it all over again. So that saves my water. Lunchtime. Come on, let's eat.
Yo, I couldn't eat for her. I couldn't eat for her at all. I not say nothing wrong with what she had do. She had try to save, yes, I can see through that. And yes, the water not all that dirty, like dirty water, but I couldn't eat for her. KFC and Burger King would have
I'm
loved
gonna change that
me.
water.
I'll change it
After
in
me
due
meet that be
time.
like that,
Just
or
don't
big
rush
with
me,
that
because
be
the more
like
you
that.
ask me that, the longer I have to keep it.
I'll never ask you that again.
Is it good?
That'd be a
It is?
serious, though.
You gonna eat all your food?
Yeah.
Well, whatever you don't eat, I'm gonna say. I am able to make the most of every food and drink that we have in this house by reusing.
What?
If it doesn't get all drunk up, I pour it back. If it doesn't get all slopped up, I put it back in its container.
What?
I say,
Yo, that girl I need help. It's a blood clot girl I need help, dog. I swear. She had turned
this
me
pasta
off,
sauce for the
She
next
had turned
spaghetti
me
dinner.
off.
We do not have to be cheap. We really don't. She has money, I have money. Like, what's the point of being so cheap? Or I understand that it saves, but like, she's being too cheap.
It'll get to a point where it'll get disgusting, man. Fuck. That shit'll get disgusting now, man.
With a strict monthly food budget of $400, there's no room in Stephanie's world for extra expenses.
So she can't. Oh, what is that? Yo, she a wipe off her fart them. Like, instead of wash, waste water, right? Waste soap, right? Because in a PR term, you know, she goes, say she a waste water, she a waste soap. Probably even a waste sponge. Or you look at say you use washy plate, isn't it? This be a wipe off it fart them for like, and not even metallic fork for it. Come like a plastic fork. She a wipe off my youth. Like,
Including entertaining guests.
really?
Patrick really wants to have a football party. I am very unhappy about people coming over to our house.
My youth, if you live so, what the hell you go want people to come over your house to see how you live? They not gonna come back after the first time. Like, look into that part. They not do that.
I really begged her to have people over and, to be honest with you, like, hands and knees.
Having people over to the house means Stephanie's pockets are getting dug into, and I do not like that. I'm not gonna change what I do to impress your friends. You wanted this party. You know how things go in our house.
Come on.
No.
Yes, it is.
Dollars, cents. I'm just not with the whole people coming over thing. I feel very uncomfortable hosting a football party at our house, but I love Patrick.
And I would feel very uncomfortable staying at your house for a day. Not even a day, 12 hours. Would I be super uncomfortable, my girl? I'm just being honest.
This football party is throwing my monthly budget way off course.
Already, I ain't started.
It's not a touchdown for me. When I buy fruits and vegetables, I want to pay for what I eat, not for what I don't eat. There's no need to pay for the vine if all I'm eating is the grapes. That'll do me justice.
Oh, shit. Oh, man.
Probably only need about 3 of these. My bananas, I'm not going to eat the whole of the banana. I eat the banana itself.
By removing the peels, pits, and stems from fruits and vegetables before they're weighed at the register, Stephanie saves up to $3 per shopping trip.
I have never seen anyone peel bananas and put them in a basket. That is weird.
That is super weird. Super weird.
Yes, ma'am. What can I do for you?
I'm going to be making a lasagna
Yes, ma'am.
So I'm gonna need some ground beef. By any chance, if you have any other ground beef that's already left over?
It's all sold. We sell it on a daily basis, fresh all the time.
Okay, and so there's nothing that would expire?
Oh.
Bounty killer, no sir. She want poison her family, dog. She want poison everybody at the party, bad man. Before this girl buy fresh things, right? Fresh things off her counter. Go home, look about it, do her thing. She asks for something was so spoiled. So technically, if it's so spoiled, more than likely then go throw it, right? But it still can use. So she appreciate say, yo, just sell me that, probably give me it for one deal, so me can cook it, because you know, make no sense me cook all of that thing for just the party. You see me? And waste all of my money. I get me fresh things, and then I eat it, or I don't even know, because I think she would have eat anything what she cook or look about still. So that girl are rough.
No, man, we don't sell expired.
People really, no, a majority of people really out there like this? Probably.
Product here. No true meat market would ever do that.
Can I see what your beef fat looks like?
Sure, I'll be right back.
All right.
Excuse me a second.
Thank you. Wow, and how much would 2 pounds of the beef fat be?
Let me cut a piece off and we'll get close to 2 pounds as we can, all right?
Okay.
She's cheap, right?
1.97.
And how much is that?
$2.53, ma'am.
I will take the beef fat.
You'll take the beef fat.
I'm satisfied with that.
The fat?
I have my ground beef over here. I'm going to stretch out the beef by adding the rest of this, or whatever's left from this, to stretch it out for the lasagna.
By supplementing the meat with the beef fat, Stephanie saved 75% on the ingredients for her lasagna.
This is why we save the sauce. Now, to save money, I multitask with washing dishes and cooking meals with my dishwasher. I just gotta make sure I wrap it really well, or else the food will get wet.
With the dishwasher reaching a temperature of 170 degrees, the lasagna will be fully cooked in 1.5 hours without using the additional gas of an oven.
Where else might put these dishes?
This girl crazy, dog. Yo, me not over exaggerate, bad man. This crazy, bad man. This crazy, yo. She a go cook lasagna in her dishwasher, and she a go wash things in her dishwasher while she a cook the lasagna in her dishwasher, because her temperature where it go reach, bad man. Yeah, me not know like that possible. It's possible, but that crazy, my girl, that crazy party. That crazy. And not even that. He leftover sauce and then something there where she cook and have on the plate where they eat off of. She scrape that back in the blowout jar. Right? That's so disgusting. She scrape that back in the blowout jar, and then she use back that in the lasagna, and she be like, oh, I saved some money. You crazy.
She's in here while I'm...
Girl crazy, bad man.
The lasagna's in the dishwasher and it's cooking.
She crazy,
Fish,
dog.
hot dogs, lasagna. I'm telling you, I do it all the time. Hey, girl. Hey, Adrian.
How you doing?
Weird.
Having people over, I'm not very excited. I don't want to be embarrassed.
All right.
Come on!
Hey.
This is the second time you did that. I gotta save money for electricity. I'm sorry.
Bon.
I have to turn it off when it's a commercial.
No, they ain't having this.
I'm sorry.
No, we ain't having this. Not having this at all.
Stephanie's very cheap. She's the person I've seen in a long time, I'll tell you that much.
Excuse me, can I use some?
What? Hold up. Oh, candle.
I thought the walking around with the candle was really insane. I think we can use some light.
I think that she did have to be seen. I'm just go some clothes and oh, shit.
Of course.
Hold on, let me see it.
Oh. Yeah, this whole thing.
Oh.
Yeah, it's good, right?
To be cooked in a dishwasher?
The lasagna tastes like water. W-A-T-E-R, water. Nasty.
Oh.
I thought it was very embarrassing, very, like, people like, what the heck? She's pretty cheap.
I get the utmost satisfaction being the cheapskate that I am. It's for me and my family, not anybody else. I don't care what nobody says. It was the Stephanie way, and the Stephanie way is the better way.
I have no friends looking for her. No, I swear. Guys, the one that did rough. I'm not telling a lie. The one that did rough. I first messed something like this. I first me even watch a video like this, Batman dog. I'm not telling a lie. It's super entertaining at the same time. As much as it's a little bit disturbing, kind of entertaining, and I never expect to see a lot of shit when I say bad man. So guys, if you don't like me, if you react to more videos like this, a lot of videos like this are there. So if you want to react to more like this, just let me know in the comment section. Leave a like on the video. If you have any videos you don't like me to react to, or any series you don't like me to react to, let me know in the comment section also. And yeah, that has been the video. Links to my Twitter and Instagram are in the description below. Check them out, give me a follow, and we see you up on the next one. You see me? Drekko. Oh!